Hi, Emma. This is my family photo.
Nice. Who is this?
This is my mother. She is a teacher.
And who is he?
He is my father. He is a doctor.
Cool, you are lucky. This is a beautiful park.
Yes, it is big and green.
The flowers are amazing.
The benches are new too.
I am very happy here.
Me too. Who is she?
She is Lucy, my best friend.
How old is she?
She is 19 years old.
Where is she from?
She's from Canada.
Nice, you are good friends.
This is our classroom.
It is small but nice.
The teacher is friendly.
The students are young.
Yes, and we are good friends.
Look, this is my dog.
So cute.
His name is Max.
What color is he?
He is brown and white.
He's very friendly.
Yes, we are happy together.